UPRV UNL various posts online form 2020. So guys, Uttar Pradesh Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited has issued a recruitment notification. I'm just going to show you full details. So just watch full video. So let's start. So guys, you are watching here important dates for this application. Application has been begun on 7th of March 2020 and last date for apply online is 29th of July 2020. So you can pay fees, examination fees till 31st of July 2020. Exam date will be declared soon and admit card will be available soon, but date is not yet declared. So let's see here. Application fee for general it's 1000, general OBC EWS 1000, for SC ST PH 700. You can pay the examination fee through debit card, credit card, net banking, fees mode, or pay the fees through office offline e-challan. So as you are watching here, age limit is on 1st January 2020. For assistant engineer post, age limit is 21 to 40 years. Technical grade 2 and other post, age limit is 18 to 40 years. So now let's see the vacancy details. For post name assistant engineer AE mechanical. You are watching here the category wise posts vacancies. For general 4, for OBC 3, EWS 1, SC 3, ST 0, total 11. Eligibility is BE BTech engineering degree in related trade post with minimum 65% marks. For detailed for more details, just read the notification. So here you will find the notification to download. So this article link I am giving in the description box. You can visit the article, you can apply online directly, and you can download a notification. But you can also watch here the details, more details. So next post is assistant engineer AE electrical. So guys, now I am showing you the vacancies category wise. For general 4, for OBC 3, EWS 0, SC 1, ST 0, total numbers of 8. The qualification is same, BE BTech engineer degree in related trade or post. So next is assistant engineer AE instrumentation for general 2, for OBC 1, EWS 1, SA 2, ST 0, total number are 6. Assistant engineer AE computer science for general 2, OBC 1, EWS 0, SC 0, ST 0, total number are 3. Assistant engineer AE civil general 8, OBC 1, EWS 1, SC 3 0, ST 0, total numbers are 13. Accounts officer trainee general 4, OBC 0, EWS 0, SC 0, ST 0, total number of 4. So for this qualification required is MBA with finance, account or CA exam passed. So next is assistant review officer ARO. For total number of posts are for general 5, for OBC 2, EWS 1, SC 2, ST 0, total number 10. A bachelor degree in any stream in any recognized university in India. For Hindi typing speed is 20 words per minute typing, and for English 25 per minute typing. So next is staff nurse. For general vacancies are 10, OBC 2, EWS 1, SC 5, ST 0, total number are 18. And qualification required is diploma in nursing with registration in UP Nursing Council. So if you are a nurse and you are registered in UP Nursing Council, then you can apply for the staff nurse post. So next is pharmacist. For general 9 vacancies, SC 5, OBC 5, EWS 1, SC 2, ST 0, total number are 17. And qualification required is diploma in pharmacist with registration in UP Pharmacy Council. So next last is technical grade second fitter. For general 33, OBC 21, and you can watch the all vacancies here. For this post, technical grade 2 electrical and technical grade 2 instrument. you can just watch the vacancies whatever you belong to. I'm just giving you 1 minute. You can see whatever caste you belong to. You can see your number of posts, and you're watching here the required eligibilities. Class 10 high school exam passed, ITI certificate in related trade post, and CCC exam passed from NIALT. So guys, you are watching here apply online and download notification links. So I'm giving in the description box the link of this article. You can visit the link and you can reach this post. Here you can register, and here you can register for the application, and you can also download a notification. That's it guys. Okay, bye bye.